Top reasons photocells fail, and how to fix them. Lights stay on all day? Your sensor might be shaded or blocked by dirt. Lights stay off at night? Probably interference from nearby light sources or misalignment. New sensor not working? You're likely facing a wiring error, but wiring errors are the #1 cause. Mixing up your load, line, or neutral wires can break the whole system. Always follow manufacturer diagrams. Label every wire. And before you flip the switch, test with a multimeter. Environmental interference is another big culprit. If the sensor can't see the sky, or is tricked by reflections, it'll misfire. So place it with a clear upward view, away from shiny surfaces. Still no luck? Check your voltage. Installing a 120V sensor on a 277V circuit will fry it instantly. For smart photocells, communication errors are key. How to avoid common light control photocell failures. Proper installation is the first step toward long-term photocell performance. A few simple checks can prevent the most common failures. Here's what to keep in mind. Always match the photocell's voltage rating with the power supply. Protect wiring from moisture to prevent corrosion and short circuits. Mount the sensor away from glass, metal, or other reflective surfaces. Look for IP65/IP67 and UL/CE certifications for outdoor use. Clean contacts, check function, and replace aging parts regularly. Photocell problems are avoidable with the right tools, the right wiring, and the right setup. Choose certified products, follow best practices, and test before you deploy.